Every hackathon faces the same bottleneck: judging. Dozens, sometimes hundreds of projects need to be evaluated in a very short amount of time. Judges get tired, they rely heavily on readmes, and they rarely have time to actually explore the code behind a project. As a result, flashy demos sometimes win over technically stronger projects simply because they tell a better story. So we asked a simple question: what if judging was grounded in what teams actually built, the code itself? That idea led to HackRadar.
HackRadar is an AI-powered hackathon judging system that evaluates projects directly from their GitHub repositories. Instead of relying only on project descriptions, HackRadar analyzes the actual source code, understands it semantically, and scores projects against customizable judging criteria. The goal is not to replace human judges, but to give them a powerful starting point: unbiased, evidence-backed evaluations they can review, adjust, and trust.
First, HackRadar clones each GitHub repository and parses the source code using TreeSitter, supporting more than 13 programming languages. The code is then split into meaningful chunks that respect function and class boundaries. Next, those chunks are converted into vector embeddings using a sentence transformer model and stored in QGrunt, our vector database. When evaluating a project, HackRadar performs semantic search to retrieve the most relevant code snippets for each judging criterion. For example, if the criterion is technical complexity, the system retrieves the most relevant sections of the project's implementation. Each criterion is scored on a 0 to 10 scale, with detailed explanations citing specific files, functions, and patterns in the codebase. These scores are then combined into a weighted overall score, allowing hackathons to prioritize what matters most, whether that's innovation, technical difficulty, or user experience. HackRadar can also automatically categorize projects, either using predefined categories or by discovering natural clusters across submissions.
One major challenge was handling code across many programming languages. A naive text splitter would break functions in half, so we used AST-aware parsing with TreeSitter to maintain logical code boundaries. We also had to design 2 evaluation strategies, so the system works with any LLM provider, even those that don't support tool calling.
The result is a system that helps hackathons judge projects faster, more consistently, and with deeper technical insight. Instead of judging the story around the code, HackRadar helps judges evaluate the code itself.